Go slide, Riley. Riley loves sliding. She could go by herself now. Let's see you slide. She likes to go doing it backwards.
See that she's...
Hi. Go Riley. She's a big girl now. Good job. Hi. You want to do it again? Good job. Let her up by herself. She's dancing the Caillou. Go. Okay. Go Riley. Yeah. Good job.